Yeah, it's been, first of all, a very professional kind of experience. I've been followed from the beginning until today, and then here in the room, you know, you're there, you're on stage, you present, but when you're on stage, especially, you know, this is something very true for me, and so I'm talking about my feelings and my emotion. I really want people to enjoy the content, and you never know. I mean, you can try to read the body languages, and I saw people, you know, smiling and looking at you and everything, but then the most important moment is at the end of the presentation, when you start to engage with them, when they ask you questions. And it's been wonderful today, you know, see the level of engagement, of participation, the questions, very smart questions, and that ignite, you know, additional conversations. And now we're recording this interview, but there is people that want to follow up and want to talk and network. So this is, I think, the value of such a conference, the ability to connect with people, talk, inspire each other, and eventually ignite new ideas for the future.